Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking a look at this Vivitat sports series binocular that's been with me for over 2 decades. This binocular is having a magnification power of 10 by 50, allowing you to bring distant objects closer with remarkable clarity. With a field of view of 367 feet at 1000 yards. As you can see, the lenses have accumulated some dust and debris over the years. These are the two important specifications of the binocular. 10x. This refers to the magnification power of the binocular. It means that the binocular will magnify objects by a factor of 10. In other words, objects will appear 10 times closer than they would to the naked eye. 50A. This refers to the diameter of the objective lenses, which are the large front lenses of the binocular. The objective lens diameter is important because it determines how much light can enter the binoculars, which in turn affects the brightness of the image. In this case, the 50mm objective lenses will allow a lot of light to enter, making the image bright and clear, even in low light conditions. 367 feet out of 1000 yards. This is a way of expressing the field of view of the binocular. Field of view is the width of the area that you can see through the binoculars at a given distance. In this case, the 367 feet out of 1000 yards means that you can see a width of 367 feet at a distance of 1000 yards. This is a relatively wide field of view, making the binocular suitable for a variety of activities such as bird watching, hunting, and hiking. The character A in the 50A designation likely indicates that the binocular have coated optics. Coated optics improve the brightness and clarity of the image by reducing glare and reflection. You can easily scan wide areas without having to reposition your binoculars frequently. To give them throughout cleaning, I'll be using isopropyl alcohol 90% or higher and some cotton wool. Now let's take a look at these built-in prisms. While they are crucial for the binoculars' optical performance, I won't be cleaning them today as that would require disassembling the housing. As for these small lenses, they are only accessible from the eyepiece side. Since I don't have the necessary tools to remove them, I'll just focus on cleaning their external surfaces. To prevent damage to delicate lens coating, I'll gently wipe the lenses with isopropyl alcohol followed by a lint-free tissue and finally a microfiber cloth. There you have it. Our lenses are now spotless and ready for action. Let's put their power to the test. Look at there. In the distance, you can spot a building with a logo that I can't quite make out. Look at that building through the binocular over there. The intricate details and even the company logo are clearly visible despite being half a kilometer away. That's the power of a well-maintained binocular. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and learned something valuable along the way. Remember to like, comment and subscribe for more informative and engaging content. Thanks for watching.